Alright, so basically, getting ready for Honda Day. My battery died on my DeWalt drill, so I had to stop what I was doing here, installing the wing. Mockouts on, taped up, started drilling. It died. Alright, so basically, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna install the auxiliary adapter, plug and play for a 2006 Accord. Came with the iPod wire. Came with the auxiliary 3.5 input jack. But being as I'm special, I went ahead and bought a monster auxiliary cable. And these are basic tools: screwdriver, Phillips, flathead. I got myself a pick over here. Could use a panel puller. Didn't feel like looking for it. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this and take it into the car, so I don't have to look for them later. On the other side. Yeah, the car's a bit of a mess. But here we go. We're gonna do this. Robin here can hold the camera. Look into the screen to make sure it's recording better. So basically, what we're gonna do, close that door so that beeping stops. What we're basically gonna do is pop this baby open. Yeah, it had to give a little trouble to come out. Don't go too crazy. They're fragile. You will crack them. Yeah, this one doesn't really want to come out. There we go. And we're off. Yeah, I haven't wired in the heated seats just yet. This is an LX. I'm gonna put this down here. Put your foot on the brake, please. Alright. Now, I'm gonna take this off. There's two screws here, which I have removed already. Now,